Hello students, myself Zaufishan Rizvi. Today I am here and going to teach you the topic of land degradation and conservation measures. It means in this point and topic we will study about the how the land degradation caused and what are the conservation measures. As we know very well about the word degradation, what is the meaning of land degradation? It means that human beings are utilizing and or exploiting the land resources, and human beings are doing so many activities on land surface. That's why the quality of land is going to be low down, and that's why land degradation caused. And in this topic we will also study about the conservation and protection of these land degradation. Okay, so first of all, we know we had already studied about the sustainable development, that we have to do so with the future generation. It means that balancing of need for the of the present generation and also should not be compromised for the future generation. That is called the sustainable development. It means that if we are using our natural resources in a limited and limited sources and limited availability, that's why we can do the sustainable and proper development. If we are not doing so, this is the result of the pollution or land degradation caused. Okay, 95% of our basic needs for food, shelter, and clothing are obtained from land. As we are aware about it, that we are totally, directly and indirectly depend on for our food, shelter, housing, clothing, and so many activities. Human activities have not only brought about degradation of land, but have also aggravated the pace of natural forces that cause to damage to land. It means that this is the result of the human activities, and by which the land degradation caused. Which are the human activities? We are talking about deforestation. It means deforestation. What is the meaning of deforestation? It means the cutting off and cutting of forest resources. Next one, overgrazing. Overgrazing is also responsible. Overgrazing means overgrazing of animals in the pasture and grassing land. Next one, mining activities. Mining activities also cause so many air pollution and land degradation, and so many types of pollution also. Quarrying, it means it is also a part of the mining activities. Okay, mining sites, mining cause deforestation in Jharkhand. It means that mining sites are left after excavation work is complete, leaving deep scars and traces of overburdening. It means in the states of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Odisha, here land degradation is generally caused by the mining activities, because Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and these states are included in the part of plateau area, and plateau is rich for mineral resources, and due to mining activities are held here. That's why due to mining there is air pollution and soil pollution, and land degradation is caused. So the main process is mining. Okay, next one, in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, result is overgrazing. In these states, overgrazing of animals cause land degradation and soil degradation. Next one, Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, over irrigation. And over irrigation because Punjab, Haryana, and Western UP, these are the states of major crop producing areas, and here agriculture is so good. That's why over irrigation is the main problem for the land degradation in these states. And next problem is also over irrigation and water logging, leading to increase in the salinity and alkalinity in the soil. It means that water logging is common problem here for land degradation, and also the salinity and alkalinity is the soil became increases due to the different chemicals and different pesticides and insecticides are used for the cultivation. Next one, the mineral processing like grinding of limestone for cement industry. this is also responsible. It means that for cement industry, the grinding process of limestone is resulted for the process of land degradation. Next one, calcite and soapstone for ceramic industry. Ceramic industry, you are available about aware about it, and you know very well that ceramic, it means different types of cosmetic and different other materials. Okay. Next one, and it retards the process of infiltration of water into the soil after it settled down on the land. It means that infiltration of water result the land and underground water pollution. Okay. Next one, industrial effluents as waste material are the major source of land and water pollution in many parts of our country. It means that water pollution is also held here, and industrial effluents, industrial pollution, whatever they were solid or they were in liquid form, they are responsible for the water pollution and also the land degradation. Okay. So students, we had studied about the major reasons of land degradation and land pollution, land and water pollution. These are the major reasons for the land degradation and land pollution. Now we will study about the conservation measures. It means that what are the steps and methods to stop the land degradation and what are the conservation of these land resources. These are the major points which we have to learn about it. That the first one is afforestation. To solve the problems of land degradation, the first and the most important measures हैं afforestation. This is the most important step. Afforestation means planting of trees. Next one, proper management of grazing. It means to stop the problem of overgrazing, we should take proper management of grazing for the animals. Next one, planting of shelter belts. Shelter belts means green belt and a large series of plants, and that is called planting of shelter belts. So that's why we can control the erosion of soil and land degradation. Next one, control of overgrazing, and we should control the overgrazing problem. And stabilization of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes are some of the methods to check land degradation in arid area. In arid areas, we should establish sand dunes. A systematic way, sand dunes should be there. Sand dunes, you had earlier study about in physical features of India. In arid region, there are so many sand dunes found there. So they can stop the heavy winds and stormy wind, and the soil erosion will be stopped. Next one, proper management of wastelands. Control of mining activities. We should control and take proper measures to in the process of mining activities. Proper discharge and disposal of industrial effluents and waste after treatment. It means that if we are going to discharge our industrial effluents, whether they are in solid or waste or in liquid form, we should do proper treatment. After treatment, then we can dispose these materials in open areas, and that can reduce land and water degradation in industrial and suburban areas. So these are the measures we should follow about it to stop the land degradation, and these are the reasons and these are the conservation measures. Thank you, students.